Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the to the general settings, accessibility, then Talkback, and enable use Talkback. After that, Talkback tutorial starts, and it starts like talking non-stop.
For situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen.
Like
you can turn
in
Talkback on or off by
mode,
holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is
when you need Talkback to perform any action, you have to firstly select it and then double tap it, just like this. For example, if you want to disable it, just tap here, double tap it, then tap stop and double tap it. And that's how you can disable this feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.